about 7 p.m. right now. I just dropped Lukey off at soccer, and I thought it would be cool to take you guys through my nighttime routine with James. It usually starts around this time, which is complicated because I have to leave at some point to pick up Luke, but this is how we like to wind down. And what our nighttime routine looks like now, it did not look like this 5 years ago, 10 years ago. This is just where we are right now with what we have in our home, which is our sauna, our cold plunge, and we have just seen so many amazing health benefits from the sauna and the cold plunge, and this is what we do to wind down, and seriously, we sleep like babies. So one of the first things that I do is I fill up a glass of water, usually one for me, one for James, and we always drink like at least 2 or 3 of these while we're in the sauna. So I got my glass full and I'm ready to head out. Sometimes James likes to go in and he'll take a cold shower before going in. I don't like to do that, but that's part of his routine. Leaves just gotta soak these are fake leaves. And this is typically a tradition from the Russian bathhouses. If you could help me with the pronunciation, it's spelled Venik, but I don't know how to say it if it's Venik. Venik. Just let these soak a while. Things that are meant for me. The purpose of these leaves is detoxing, helps your circulation. So typically we'll have just some soft spa music playing, as long as we keep our phones down and low, because the heat rises. We can bring our phones in here, but we'll typically play like spa music. I'll get my oils and just start like reading in my cold plunge, but I do it for the after effect. And for me personally, I don't like doing long dunks. I just do short little ones. You're breathing. I'm not gonna dunk my head yet, but I will. Splash my face. Alright, then I head back into the sauna. James usually has a meditation going for us. Today we're doing a 16-minute meditation by David G on the Inside Timer app.
As we move throughout the world each day, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts each day.
After I do the cold plunge, I usually just
And witness the breath
lean on James.
as it comes in and as it flows out.
Feels so good.
For the future.
So I told you, I literally just put on a robe and go get Lukey from soccer practice. And then once we're home, what do we usually do, Luke?
Dinner, take a shower.
Eat dinner, take a shower, yep, and get ready for bed. And that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching our routine. I hope that you can maybe get some ideas for how to wind down at the end of your night. Even though you may not have a sauna or a cold plunge, you could still fill up your bathtub with ice. You could even do face dunks, which is super beneficial. You could also alternate between really cold water in the shower to hot. Do about 30 seconds of each one just to get your heart rate going, and you could still feel some of those amazing benefits. But the meditation you can also do, winding down to like just the inspirational music, the oils. You can find your own way of doing it in your house and make it unique to your surroundings. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys.